Welcome you all for the online session on Corporate Accounting of 3rd semester BCom, Bengaluru City University. The title of the chapter is Valuation of Goodwill and Shares. In the previous session, I have discussed the meaning and features of goodwill, the types of goodwill, factors affecting goodwill, need for valuation of goodwill, and methods of valuation of goodwill. We will discuss the valuation of goodwill under average profits method. Under that, there are two methods, simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Under simple average profit method, goodwill is generally valued on the basis of a certain number of years purchase of the average business profits of the past few years. While calculating the average profits for the purpose of valuation of goodwill, certain adjustments are made. Some of the adjustments are as follows. So here, first we have to consider the profits given in the problem. For that, we have to add all expenses and losses not likely to occur or incur in future. That means abnormal loss items. And we have to add all profits that are likely to come in future. And we have to deduct all expenses and losses expected to occur in future, and we have to deduct profit that are not likely to recur. That means abnormal gains. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And the resulting balance we will consider it as adjusted profits. In the next step, we have to calculate the adjusted average profits. Under simple average profits, the formula is total adjusted profits of all years divided by total number of years. And in case of weighted average profits, the formula is total product divided by total weights. And in the last step, we have to calculate the value of goodwill by using the formula adjusted average profits multiplied by number of years purchase. So let us work out a problem on the calculation of goodwill under simple average profits method. So in this problem, the net profits disclosed by Mahindra Limited for the past 5 years are given. For the year 15-16, the profit is rupees 80,000, which includes an abnormal profit of rupees 10,000. So since it is abnormal profit, we have to deduct it. In the year 2016-17, the profit is 1 lakh after charging abnormal loss of rupees 20,000. So since it is an abnormal loss, we have to add it. In the year 2017-18, the profit is 90,000 excluding 10,000 rupees insurance premium. So it is a regular expenditure, therefore we have to deduct it. And in the year 2018-19, the profit is 1,20,000, there is no adjustment. In 2019-20, the profit is 1,60,000 including profit on sale of building rupees 40,000. So this is an abnormal profit, therefore we have to deduct it. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill at 3 years purchase of the average profits. So in the first step, we have to calculate the adjusted profits. So first we have to take the profits given in the problem for the last 5 years. 80,000, 1 lakh, 90,000, 1 lakh 20,000 and 1 lakh 60,000. First we have to deduct the abnormal profits in the year 2015-16. So the resulting balance is 70,000. And in the year 16-17, we have an abnormal loss, therefore we have to add it, that is 20,000. So the resulting balance will be 1,20,000. And in the third year, we have insurance premium. It is a regular expenditure, therefore we have to deduct it, that is 10,000. So the resulting balance will be 80,000. And then we have a profit on sale of building. It is an abnormal profit, therefore we have to deduct it from the last year, 1920, rupees 40,000. And the resulting balance are to be treated as adjusted profits. That is 70,000, 1,20,000, 80,000, 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. In the next step, we have to calculate the adjusted average profits. So first we have to take the formula, that is total adjusted profits divided by total number of years. So profit for the last 5 years divided by total number of years 5. So 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5,10,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5. So the adjusted annual average profits are rupees 1,02,000. In the last step, we have to calculate the goodwill. For the calculation of goodwill, the formula is adjusted annual average profits multiplied by number of years purchase. So adjusted average profits as per step 2 is rupees 1,02,000 multiplied by 3 years purchase. Therefore, the value of goodwill will be rupees 3,06,000. Thank you, students.